Here at the National Hydropower Association's annual conference of 2012, after one of the sessions, I caught up with John Zhang. Actually, I pronounce it John Zhang from JHP and Associates. John, we're glad to have you here.
Thank you, Mara.
You were telling me that you supply turbines and generators, the best that China has to offer.
Sure.
And that was curious to me. Tell me about your hydro operations.
Thank you, Mala. JHP was founded in 1998 to meet the increasing demand of our clients for high-quality components made in China with great cost savings. Several years earlier, my partner, who at the time was the chief engineer and executive vice president of a leading Chinese turbine and generator manufacturer, he was asking me if North America would be a good market to look into. That's how we started to assemble a professional team and look into the market. That's how we started our hydro operations.
So John, why would a client buy equipment supply from you versus a competitor of yours?
That's a great question. I'd love to answer.
Yeah.
Well, primarily because of the unique team that we have.
Okay.
And I believe the way we do business is the best way to ensure success.
So John, let's break it down a little bit. Let's first of all talk about equipment selection and what are some of the unique things that you provide in that arena.
Sure. First of all, almost all equipment made in China is brought in by an importer. Unlike any other importers, JHP has assembled some of the most qualified design and manufacturing experts in China hydro history under one team, independent from any factories. As you know, being in the field for ongoing design, maintenance, and rehab for 2 decades, our team has designed and commissioned hundreds of hydro projects themselves. They are deeply rooted in China with intimate knowledge on all aspects of equipment selection. This will ensure the selection of the most reliable equipment for long-term, hassle-free operation and minimum maintenance.
Okay. So John, a couple of other things that I think owners, developers really care about in terms of equipment is the efficiency and also the overall quality control, the QC. What kind of services can you provide in that arena?
Yeah, as you know, because our team is in China, we have the complete access to the best runners available in China. So combined with our experience, this will ensure the equipment that we bring in has the highest efficiency possible in China. Plus, our team are uniquely qualified to provide on-site QC supervision on top of the factory's own quality system. I believe no other team that I know of can provide that kind of service.
John, let's explore a little bit about this issue of you're able to manage the cost of the equipment. Tell me about that.
This is one of the biggest advantages for JHP as well. It is our own design, and we know the real cost from China. Through a strategic partnership and competitive selection process, we choose the most appropriate factory to just do the fabrication for us.
So John, what do you mean by just fabrication?
Yeah, because it's our own design again, and the factory, they will just take our design. They don't need to worry about the export, the liquidated damage, and so on. This alone will enable JHP to have the lowest manufacturing cost. Plus, we have the most cutting-edge design tools to minimize any potential design conflicts among the major components before the fabrication starts. Combined with our experience, this will save time and potential material waste. All of this will contribute to the cost savings to the client.
So John, what else would you like the industry to know about JHP and Associates?
Well, based on our experience, when evaluating bids from China, other than the obvious bid price, equipment layout, efficiency guarantees, as part of the due diligence that we can assist the clients, I think some of the following parts I believe is very important. One is why the equipment proposal is indeed the best. Two is that why those efficiency claims on the bid are reliable by design and actually achievable by the right factory. Third one, for example, is how good is the design and quality control team comparing to the best in China. And another one is what kind of factory is it and what is going on in the factory. For instance, even a factory tour would not reveal things like major layoffs and pending lawsuits, financial challenges, and some of the departure of the competent staff. All of these will significantly impact the project. That's where JHP comes in, with the most control of technical intelligence and human intelligence. I believe only JHP can help the clients the most to achieve the security, certainty, and peace of mind they deserve to have.
Well, John, thank you very much for sharing your opinions and your information about your company. Very interesting.
Thank you, Marla. You know, our vision and our mission is to bring the best design and equipment China has to offer. I hope the industry will take advantage of it. Thank you.